How do you build wealth as a regular guy? What if I told you you don't need to have millions or even a unicorn company for you to become financially free? Most wealthy people out there were not born rich. They simply followed a few habits consistently over years, and they were able to convert that into wealth. The biggest lie most people say is that I'll build wealth when I earn more money. The truth is that many people, even earning upwards of half a million Kenya shillings in Kenya every month, are still broke because of their mindset. That is why in this video, I want to share with you tips which you need to follow for you to be able to build wealth as a regular guy, assuming you never came from richness. You are all much welcomed. My name is Afagza Sifuna. In case you are new here, remember to subscribe and also drop a like on this video. The very first thing you need to understand is, first of all, understand what wealth is. Many people out there confuse wealth with income. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Someone driving a brand new Range Rover that is on loan is poorer than someone driving a Toyota, yet they have an investment portfolio. Real wealth is ownership. It's asset producing income while you are asleep. So ask yourself, if I stopped working today, how long could I survive? The answer tells you your true wealth. In case you're going to struggle, then you need to build wealth. And then the second thing you need to do is to increase your income fast. Saving alone will never make you rich. If you earn 40,000 each and every month, there's only so much you'll be able to save because you are struggling to live month in, month out. That's why you need to learn new skills, whether it is AI tool, freelancing, starting a side business, asking for promotions at work for you to be able to earn more, changing careers, building online income, you name it. You have to do what you have to do for you to be able to increase your income, because money is the fuel to your investment and your investment is the conduit for you to build wealth. So don't just ask, how can I save 5,000? You need to be asking, how can I earn 30,000 more compared to how much I am earning right now? Shift the mentality for you to be able to build wealth. And then the third thing which you need to do is to live below your means. This sounds boring, but it is the biggest hack when it comes to building wealth. Every raise shouldn't lead to a better car or a bigger apartment or more expensive lifestyle. That's called lifestyle inflation, which you need to avoid. Instead, increase your investments faster than how you're spending money. Many millionaires out there look surprisingly ordinary. It's because they understand the power of increasing their investment instead of appearing like they are wealthy. They are all about the action. They are about making wealth happen. You too need to jump on a particular mindset. And then the fourth thing which you need to do is to build an emergency fund. Emergency fund is very critical because life happens, job losses happen, medical emergencies crop up, car repairs kick in, family issues kick in. All these are going to drain you. And without saving, every emergency becomes a debt on you. That is why aim to have 3 to 6 months of expenses worth saving at any particular point in time. Keep this money somewhere safe. You can look at, for example, putting it in the money market funds. This fund isn't an investment. It is a protection for you in case you need liquid cash. Basically, it is a liquidity buffer. And then the fifth thing you need to do is to invest every single month. Look here, most people out there assume they need to save a lot. They need to have millions for them to invest. Woe unto you. There is no perfect time when it comes to investing with the aim of building wealth. That is why you need to utilize dollar cost averaging, basically investing every month, even a consistent amount of money. And that consistency and proper timing is going to assist you be able to build wealth over time. So prioritize consistency over you postponing. Start today. If you have 1,000, start with that. If you have 5K, start with that. Invest in different things out there, whether it's T-bills, dividend stocks, growth stocks, REITs, global ETFs, you name it. The key is to start investing. Pick whichever financial instrument and start investing, because there's a lot to be learned in investing and there is behavior to be developed when it comes to consistency. And then The sixth thing you need to do is let compound interest work for you. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. There's a reason as to why that's the case, because truly it's the eighth wonder of the world. The principle is true because imagine if you invest 20K each and every month, then allowing returns to generate more and more returns. After years or even decades, small investments become surprisingly large because of the power of compounding. Time matters more than timing in investing. Start early and stick to it, and you're gonna see how the power of early entrance and compounding is gonna work for you. And then the seventh thing you need to do as you are building wealth as a regular guy is avoid bad debt. Debt isn't always bad, but consumer debt destroys wealth. Don't borrow to consume. Don't borrow to inflate your lifestyle. Don't borrow because of peer pressure. That is a bad way of borrowing. Borrow only if it's going to production. That's why furniture loans, car loans, credit card debt, borrowing to impress others, all these are bad things for you in your quest to build wealth. If, for example, you are borrowing, okay, to maybe get machinery which you require to produce, okay, you are borrowing to expand your business in a way that you have calculated very well how you're going to be able to repay and also see your business grow. That is going to be amazing. And then the eighth thing you need to do is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the highest return you can be able to make in your quest to build wealth. Learn skills, read books, take courses, improve your communication, master technology. That way you become extremely valuable. And a person who's valuable is a person who's very lethal in the market because the market rewards people who solve problems. So every new skill which you increase enhances your ability to solve problems in the current world and in the future. And higher incomes are going to be drawn to these kind of skills and problem solving abilities. And then the ninth thing you need to do is to stay patient. Guys, patience is a virtue, and there's a reason as to why patience is a virtue. It's because most people out there do panic when they are in their quest to build wealth. When they invest, maybe the market goes down, they panic. Maybe they make decisions based on hype. Maybe they are out there jumping on get rich quick schemes. There is no wealth which is built on get rich quick schemes. It takes time, it takes learning, it takes patience for you to be able to build wealth. So be patient, stick to your strategy, believe you're going to be able to build wealth as a regular guy, and get to it. Action, consistency, and believing in yourself is going to assist you build wealth as a regular guy. Guys, what do you think about this video? Do you believe you can build wealth as a regular guy? In case you are out there and you are able to build wealth coming from nothing, you didn't come from a rich family, you didn't have rich parents, but you ended up building wealth. How did you do it? Did you follow the principles I've spoken about? Are there other nuggets which you want to share with this particular group of people who I share videos with each and every day? Comment down below in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts. In case you are out there, you are struggling to build wealth. Do you find these tips useful? Comment down below so that I can continue making these amazing videos for you each and every day. Cheers, guys, and you all stay safe.